So here we have a pile of footings. Footing reinforcement steel. They're 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters. And the steel size gauge is like very, very thick. And we need 11 of them for every pier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, we need 13. 13. So we have 11 already. A lot of work building those. But we got a great workspace to do it in. It's a great environment. This is going to be a real lot of fun because now I've had a lot of communications with the builder, and I have to say that my very good friend Ake was of a great assistance to me to make sure that there was no misunderstandings, and now everybody is very happy and we can continue to build my new house. I'm so excited. I haven't built a new house in a long time, especially one for me. Okay, bye for now.